Okay, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp to market your business. Okay, how to use WhatsApp to reach out to your customers. There are so many ways to do that, so many ways. But I'm not going to touch all of them. I'm going to concentrate on WhatsApp channels and WhatsApp broadcast. Okay, but in this particular video, I'm going to talk about WhatsApp channels. All right. So WhatsApp channel is a WhatsApp feature that you can use to send messages to your customers or to people that subscribe to your channel. Okay, they will receive the message, and maybe let's say if you're selling a product, you can send a message of your product, and maybe if you have your website, you send your website there so that they can click on the link of your website, go to your website, buy the product. Or if you want them to chat you, then you drop a link for your chat. They can click on the link and chat you so that you discuss more about the product. Maybe if they have questions, they can ask you privately. Okay, because in WhatsApp channel they don't ask, they don't have conversation there. You don't do conversation. You do if there's any need for conversation, you drop a link for them to chat you privately. Okay, but the good thing about WhatsApp channel, why I recommend it, is that it is a kind of feature on WhatsApp where if people subscribe, because people are meant to subscribe. Okay, when after creating the channel, you have to invite your customers to subscribe to your channel. All right, so that whenever you post any product that you are selling, they will get the information. That's, they will subscribe and turn on the notification, so that whenever you post anything in that channel, then they will get notified. All right, so I will tell you how to do that. Okay, so once they get notified, they go there and check. So it's WhatsApp is actually the best way to market your business. Reason is because almost everybody is using WhatsApp. A lot of people are using WhatsApp, and people are more comfortable to chat on WhatsApp more than some other platforms. Okay, so when you're selling something on WhatsApp, people can comfortably sit and chat with you on WhatsApp instead of other platforms. Okay, other platforms are also doing well, but WhatsApp is best. That is why I'm introducing it to you. Okay, all right, so now let's talk about WhatsApp channel. To create WhatsApp channel, use WhatsApp Business. Okay, WhatsApp, if you don't have WhatsApp Business, please install it. Go to Google Play Store, download WhatsApp Business, register in it, use it for this, please. Okay, so you click on WhatsApp Business. Then when you click on it, you go to update. When you go to update, you're going to see, when you go to update, you see your WhatsApp status at the top. Then down here now you see your channels. You're also going to see some other people's channel, other people that want you to subscribe to their channels. You're going to see it down here. See all these people. There are different channels be created by people. Okay, this one has up to 349,000 followers. Okay, so you have to create your own. So how do you create your own? Now this is my own. Okay, these are the people I've subscribed to. Okay, so to create your own, you click here, click on create channels. Me, I'm going to, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to create one channel. Okay, even though I have channel, but I'm going to create another one just to teach you how to do it. So you just click on continue. Okay, here you type in the name you want to use. I'm going to call it Hero. For me, I'm going to use Heroic Inspiration. That is what I want to create. But your own, you're going to use your business name, but don't use your full business name. Use a short business name, because the name is meant to be short for marketing purpose. Okay, so use something. Let's say if you are dealing on authors, you can use something like your whatever authors. Okay, for example, my name is my business name is Heroic. So if I'm dealing on authors, I will use Heroic Authors. Okay, so if you are Steko, use Steko Authors. That if you are Danshus, use Danshus Authors. If you are whatever author you are into, or whatever business field you are into, just don't use your full business name. For example, if you have limited, international, whatever ventures, or don't put all of them because it will be too long. Just first name, the first name of your business, and the second one, it's okay. Even if the first name describe everything your business is dealing on, then second one will not be necessary. But for autos, I think you put autos so that people will know that this is an automobile business. Okay. So for example, you see my own now, I put heroic inspiration. I didn't add any other thing here, so it will not be too long. It doesn't supposed to be too long. There are reasons. Okay. You now create. Okay, you click here to describe it. So in your own description, you put something like we sell or we import and sell vehicles, automobiles. Then you can list the types of automobiles you sell. If you are selling products, automobile as accessories, then you put we import and sell, or we sell Ford or Ford accessories, Ford product, or just list the brand of accessories you sell. You understand? Very good. So just put, but for my own, I'm just going to put something inspiration. We inspire you for greatness. You know, this is not just for selling any vehicle, just for inspiration. Okay, for my own, just for inspiration. Then here you put your logo. Just click here, search for your logo. I'm going to go to car gallery. Just click on gallery here, then open your gallery, look for your logo, but I'm going to use this one. You look for your logo and you can use your logo, or you use anything that can describe your business. Okay, any flyer you have. Okay, then very good. Then create channel. Good, your channel is created. Now this is the channel link. So you're going to come here, copy this link. Okay, copy this link. You can share this in your status. You can click here to share in your WhatsApp status for people that are following your status to subscribe. But before you share it, don't share it, don't click here to share it, because WhatsApp will share it automatically, and their message might not be catchy enough. Just copy this link, send it to me. Copy this link, send it to me after creating it, so that I will create a message you are going to post, you are going to use to you send it to your broadcast. Okay, if you have not created a broadcast, then you have to create a broadcast. I've also made a video to show you how to create a broadcast, so you can say after this, you copy this link, just click on share link. Okay, then you click on copy link. So the link is copied, you see that? Then you send it to me, you paste it to me and send it to me, so that I will create a message for you. The message you're going to use for broadcast, and the message you're going to post in your WhatsApp status, so that your business people, I mean your customers will subscribe to your WhatsApp channel, and those that are following you in your WhatsApp status will also subscribe to your WhatsApp channel. You understand? Then if you are using WhatsApp status for your business, I want to advise you, whenever somebody buys something from you, make sure that you save his number, and make sure that he saves your number. Not only you saving his number, make sure that that customer also save your number. Okay, that is so important, because for people to view your WhatsApp status, they must save your number and you must save their number. Do you understand? So that's, by the way, maybe later we'll talk more about WhatsApp status, but please do these two things. Watch the video on how to create WhatsApp channel, and video on how to create broadcast, and create your broadcast and channel. Then send me the channel link. Okay, let me create a message that you're going to post. Thank you so much.